Hi and welcome back to another video from AI Sciences. In this video, we will discuss the role of AI in banking and finance sector. So AI in banking is growing and bringing the potential for solutions that generate growth across business segments. Adoption of AI solutions in banking has become more mainstream, and a majority of financial services companies say they have implemented the technologies like risk management and revenue generation of new products and process through AI. Banks are using AI to transform the customer experience by enabling frictionless 24/7 customer service interaction. But AI in banking application, banking sector isn't just limited to retail banking services. The back offices of investment banking and all other financial services, for the matter, are taking benefit from AI. The two main channels where banks are actually using artificial intelligence are front office, which is responsible for conventional banking, and back office, responsible for fraud detection and risk management. So let's just explore these. The first one is conventional banking. Banks are leveraging algorithms on the front end to smooth customer identification and authentication to eliminate the hustle of customers to go through the verification process, and they speed up the process to save valuable time of the bank and the customers. Also, banking sector is using AI to mimic live employees through chatbots, and the algorithms that are supporting chatbots I have been implemented inside the banking servers to help the clients, to help the customer to get the interaction and get the answer as fast as possible. The voice assistants and all of these things are actually causing the banks to save a lot of amount. Also, by using chatbots, as we know, chatbots are supported by powerful AI algorithms. So, based on the previous data and experience of the customer, the chatbots can provide much more user centric response and eliminate the need of user assistant department. Also, chatbots can grow and shrink to any number of, depending on the any number of servers or any number of users, depending on the need or traffic, and avoid banks to pay for any stale employees. At the front end, all these aspects are helping banks to depend or to deepen the customer relationships and provide personalized insights and recommendations. AI is also being implemented by banks within back office or fraud and risk management. One of the major aspects of back office is to assess risk. The customers trust the bank with their money and their investments, and banks are using AI to mitigate all the risk factors before making any vital decision to get the most out of the investment. The next thing in which AI is playing its role is to detect and prevent payments fraud. AI in banking systems are constantly looking for any fraud transactions based on previous data, and as soon as the AI systems gets any, it investigates the transactions on its own, and it investigates the transaction to its possible extent where it can actually go, and then after getting some concrete information, after getting some concrete params, it will report or it will highlight that transaction to the officials with all the information. Also, AI is helping the banks to improve process for anti-money laundering and perform know your customer regulatory checks, again based on the customer feedback and history. And again, this list goes on and on. The things I mentioned over here are merely the tip of the iceberg, and AI has way more impact on banking and finance sector than the things that I just mentioned. I hope that you have developed the understanding that how powerful AI is and how vastly it is being used by banking sector. Still, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section and we will try to get back to you on that as soon as possible. So this is pretty much it from this video. I will see you in the next video.